How's it going, guys? So today we're going to be going through fender repair on your ATV, or plastic repair on your ATV. As you can see right here, I have this 1984 Honda 250 three-wheeler, and the fender was cracked previously, and I repaired it using zip ties. When I bought it, it was repaired with rivets and these plates, and it didn't really hold up well. He had these on the back with the rivets going through, and it wasn't very tight. As you can see now, it's pretty stiff compared to the other side. It's not cracked. So I got another repair I'm going to do right here, and so we're going to go through that and how to do that and get the results that we're looking for. So to start, we're going to need a flathead, either a screwdriver or just a bit with your appropriate zip tie size to make the hole, then a torch to heat it up. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this repair job somebody had previously done loose, and do it same way I did this right here, the best I can with those previous holes there. Now you can use a drill, but if you notice, it just looks better when you use a flathead. You don't have that whole hole sticking out, just by melting it. So go ahead and get your torch heated up. Start heating up your bit. There's not a whole lot to it, but in my opinion, it looks pretty good and it holds up really well. I've done it previously on other ATVs, and like I said, not only does it look well, it holds up well. You can find your zip ties at Harbor Freight. I know this pack for 100 was under $4, not even $5. And they've got a great selection. They've even got stainless steel zip ties there that you can use. This is nice and hot. We'll go ahead and start punching some holes. I'm going to start in the back here. Pinch it through, go all the way until you feel it pop like that, and pull it out. And if you look closely, you'll get a nice clean hole like that. Heat it up again, let that plastic kind of melt off. And keep punching your holes. Get a little bit of space away from the crack. You don't fix it, and this crack keeps coming on. I hit it one time with my leg or something, and it keeps on coming on, and then I lose that part of the fender. It's a lot easier just to go ahead and repair it now, the way that it is. And put it off until it's kind of too late. Plastic's a little deeper right there, a little thicker. This is just a quick, easy way to get it done without spending much of nothing. with great results. Let you hang on to these old fenders a little longer. And at the end of the day, we're just trying to have fun on these things, so. I'm gonna try something out right here. See if I can get a zip tie going across this side and across the other side. Might be getting a little too greedy, but we'll see. See how this idea with the T's worked out. See if I can put 2 zip ties right in that same area. And it will. Over. So that actually worked out pretty good. All right. Well, look pretty tight. So I've got my plastics repaired. I could go ahead and do this end here, but I think that's pretty solid overall now. My only flex is coming from down here, but I mean, as far as the fender goes, it's pretty solid. On this side, it's not in any better shape. I've got the panel pulled off right now. Because I have an issue with my battery, so I can access my kickstart. But yeah, if you come over here, you got a repair I'm going to be doing here pretty soon on this 3-wheeler. I put some metal across the back here and I cracked the fender, if you can see right here, pretty good. So these plastics are in really good shape, so I don't want that to get too far away from me. It's already started spreading, so I need to go ahead and fix this one. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and cut off these zip ties over here. Some of those clippers, whatever you got works, and then I'll be complete. But appreciate it, guys. Go ahead and like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, if it was helpful. And let me know in the comments. Thank you.